Hello and welcome to Investor Info. Starting your own business is something that most individuals have considered at least once or twice in their life. While in most cases these ideas remain fantasies that will never be realized, there may be no better moment than now to start your own business. This is due to the fact that there are various advantages for entrepreneurs right now, including the ease and flexibility that comes with starting a new firm. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 business ideas to consider in 2022. Let's get started. Have you considered establishing your own small company as you look ahead to the new year? When it comes to amazing business ideas, there is no better time to act than now. People are beginning their own enterprises in greater numbers these days, but what is behind this surge in small company startups? COVID-19 has resulted in tremendous development in e-commerce. One possible explanation for this? During the epidemic, an increasing number of people perform their shopping online. This makes it easy to buy and sell online, which is useful for starting and running a profitable business. At the same time, numerous firms have had to close in the last 2 years, opening up new markets to competitors. This makes now an excellent moment to join the ranks of innovative entrepreneurs wanting to establish their small company ideas while the economy recovers. Recent firm closures have also resulted in a larger pool of available personnel. As your new company expands, you will have access to a wider pool of personnel. The road to small company ownership has never looked brighter, with so many amazing small business ideas to pick from. If you have a good concept, now is a terrific moment to start a small business. The key advantages of beginning a business in 2022 include the ability to establish a base anywhere, whether in a crowded metropolis or a quiet neighborhood, or even as an online-only firm. The option is yours. Developing your own corporate culture, adhering to your own set of norms, morals, and values, flexible hours, whether you want to work a typical 9 to 5 or merely a couple hours each day. The option is yours. You have the freedom to pick the sector you want to enter, the products or services you want to offer, and the clients you want to target. Before we continue, remember to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. You surely don't want to miss out. Number 1. Coming up first on our list is opening a daycare business. Starting a daycare business might be a difficult concept at first, but it can turn out to be a terrific business idea, especially for individuals who enjoy dealing with children. Helping children develop is a significant responsibility, and a daycare service will always be in great demand from parents and guardians. To manage a daycare service, you must be trustworthy and reliable since parents and guardians will rely on you to take care of their children during the day. You must be organized because you will be keeping track of numerous items at the same time, such as each child's profile, which consists of things like likes, dislikes, medical issues, allergies, etc. You must also keep track of how many children you're caring for and which days to anticipate them, what activities you'll be performing every day, and many more. Being passionate is also necessary because you have to be enjoyable, engaging, and thrilling for the children in your care. You must also be well educated since one of the primary roles of daycare will be to introduce young children to the world of academics. You must be able to exhibit extensive knowledge as well as excellent teaching abilities in things like mathematics, literature, creative arts, communication, language, and physical development. Number 2. Next is house cleaning. House cleaning is a terrific business concept that doesn't take a lot of capital to get started. However, such a firm is heavily reliant on building strong ties with its customers. The chance for development is dependent not only on providing high-quality cleaning, but also on obtaining favorable feedback and being referred by word of mouth, which increases the likelihood of future clients desiring to acquire your cleaning services. To manage a cleaning business, you have to be trustworthy and reliable since you will be entering your clients' homes to perform your services, and a great deal of faith will be placed in you. Any type of wrongdoing, such as theft, furniture damage, or poor service quality, can severely harm your image and soon lead to the demise of your organization. You must also be an excellent listener since each customer will have a distinct notion of how they want their properties cleaned. Some clients may even provide specific directions on what equipment or cleaning agents they will or will not let be used on certain sections of their property. Consequently, it is critical that you be excellent at listening to instructions. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, you must be nice and respectful. Someone who is perceived as approachable and respectful has better long-term potential and is more likely to achieve success with clients. You must be someone that customers are comfortable having in their homes, since you may come into contact with their family, friends, or housemates while working. Number 3. Thirdly, consider event planning. Some of us have never considered becoming event planners, yet it is possible that we already have the necessary talents to be successful. As an events planner, you have the flexibility of organizing events for a variety of industries, whether it's a wedding, a vacation, an expedition, or something else entirely. There are many events where people will require your services to tie up any loose ends and fill in the details that allow an event to be successful. You must have good attention to detail. Being an event planner requires you to be able to correctly analyze information, whether it's from an email, website, social media, or other individuals contacting you about the event, asking about things like prices, dates, offers, etc. Communication is essential. You will be needed to communicate with a variety of people throughout the day. You must be excellent at interacting with a wide range of individuals, whether you are informing your customer on upcoming events or negotiating or planning with service providers. Make sure that you also have the capacity to network. As an events planner, networking is a crucial skill because you'll need as many people as possible around you to assist in supplying answers for your events. And because you may need to contact someone numerous times for various customers, the ability to create professional networks is essential. As a visionary planner, you should be able to visualize, or at least have a concept, of how you intend to carry out your plans. Number 4. Coming up next is starting a fitness coaching business. With 9.9 million gym members in the UK, the fitness business is continually increasing, indicating that many individuals place a high value on their physical well-being. Fitness coaching is an excellent approach for active persons with knowledge of exercise and nutrition to make money while creating long-term connections with customers. To manage a fitness coaching business, you must be qualified and have extensive fitness knowledge. In order to be credible in this industry, you must have some form of qualification and prior experience, which means people will be more inclined to invest in your company. Because fitness coaching is a long-term investment for most people, they want to get the most bang for their buck by obtaining high-quality, time-tested instruction. You must be patient. Becoming a fitness coach and operating a business takes time, and the business will develop over time. You must be patient in the growth of your clients, your personal development as a fitness coach, and the overall business, always working on and monitoring all 3 elements. You must also be self-motivated, as someone who must remain passionate, encouraging, and motivational for your clients. You must be driven and consistently push yourself on a daily and annual basis. You must be able to convey this to your clientele. You will be regularly monitoring each client's physical improvement. It is critical that you are aware of how your clients are feeling so that you can adapt or alter as needed. You'll want your clients to feel comfortable talking to you about anything. Number 5. Last but not least, garden design business. Garden design has been increasingly significant to people in recent years, particularly in light of the many national lockdowns caused by COVID-19, which have kept people at home. Some aspects of garden design, such as modifying the plan, decorating or landscaping, or more, may appear too hard for some individuals and they may seek expert assistance to develop their ideal garden. You must be excellent at taking directions and providing exactly what your consumers want. You will be given an idea of what work your customer wants you to undertake as a garden designer, but it's up to you to select how you'll carry out this notion. Being innovative is essential in the design industry. Your customer may ask you to accomplish something with fewer instructions and will rely on your ingenuity to complete the design. In other circumstances, you may just need to be creative in order to improvise and produce something visually appealing. And, of course, you must have technical gardening skills, like pruning, mowing, and cutting, also an awareness of how to care and grow for plants, and general strong manual abilities because you will be proactively moving things about. Now, as an entrepreneur, you should be aware that up to 40% of small firms fail in their first year. One of the primary causes for these company failures is a lack of enthusiasm or clients to support the new venture. Great company ideas, such as the ones mentioned in this video, are high-quality concepts that can generate enough attention to enable long-term success. Using the market research tools listed below, you can determine whether there is enough interest to support your firm. As an added benefit, this market research can assist you in developing your business strategy, and if you don't believe you need a business strategy to thrive, think again. You should definitely reconsider. A sound business plan is the cornerstone of the majority of successful firms. And there you have it, folks. Now that we've discussed the top 5 business ideas to consider in 2022, let us know in the comment section down below which one you're willing to try out first. Remember to always do your research and make the most of your resources. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. See you in the next video.